Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on direction, distance and this. Before watching this video, don't please try to see the previous video of this session, okay? Now see here, the directions here are like this: north, south, east, west. This is northeast, this is northwest, this is southwest, this is southeast. These are the directions, okay? These are the directions here. Now see the problem here. Now see the problem here. Rajini started Rajni started to move in the direction of Rajni started to move in the direction of east and turn to his left and turn to his Rajni started and turn to his left after moving 25 meters. After moving 25 meters, then he turned to his left. Then he turned to his left. Turned to his left. After moving 10 meters, and then he turned. After moving after moving 10 meters, after moving 10 meters, and after this is and after this he moved 35 meters, and after this he moved 35 meters. Then he turned to his left. Then he turned to his then he turned to his left. Then he turned to his left and moved 20 meters. And moved 20 meters. Now how far is he? Now how far is he from his starting? Now how far he is from his starting point? And in what direction? And in what direction? And in what direction? And in what direction? Okay. Now here we will see Rajni started to move in the direction of east. Rajni started here. Now Rajni is here. Sorry. Rajni is Rajni is here. Now he started to move in the direction of east. Okay, now he started to move in the direction of east. And turn to his left after moving 25 meters. అంటే ఈ 25 meters మూవ్ అయిన తర్వాత అతను లెఫ్ట్కి టర్న్ అయ్యాడు. ఆఫ్టర్ మూవింగ్ 25 meters he turned to his left. Again after turning to left, then after moving 10 meters he moved left 25 meters, then turned to his left after moving 10 meters. Again he turned to his left after moving 10 meters. Okay, again he turned to his left after moving 10 meters, and after he moved 35 meters, then he turned to his left. Again he moved 35 meters. Again he moved 35 meters and turned to his left. Again after moving to left, then he turned to his left and moved 20 meters. From here again he turned to his left and moved 20 meters. Okay, again he turned here from left, it moved 20 meters. Now we will write down the directions here. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, these are the directions. Sorry, this is not S, this is S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, now these are the directions. Now From here to here he moved 25 meters. Again from here he moved left 10 meters. 10 meters. From again after moving 10 meters he turned to his left and moved 35 meters. Turned to his left and moved 35 meters. Again after moving 35 meters, then he moved to his left 20 meters. Okay, again he moved his 20 meters. From right he moved 25 meters, means from here also distance it is 25 meters, right? From here also it is 25 meters. 25 minus 35 is equal to how much? 35 minus 25 is equal to 10 meters, right? Distance here is 10 meters. Now here the distance here is 10 meters, means here also distance is 10 meters. Okay, from here to here the distance is 10 meters, means from here to here the distance is 10 meters, means now from here is the distance 10 meters, here also distance 10 meters, again here the distance is also 10 meters. Now we have to find out how far he is from starting point and in what direction. See here, how far he is from the how far he is from the starting point. Now we have to find out the distance, how far he is from the distance from this direction. Okay, and in the what direction. See, it is a direction of, southwest direction. Okay, it is a direction of southwest. It is a direction of, southwest direction. Okay, it is a direction of southwest direction. It is a direction of southwest. Now see here, here also 10 meters, here also 10 meters, here also 10 meters, here also 10 meters. Now this is also 10 meters. Now see here, let assume this is as u. Here the distance is given, here also the distance we get. Now here we have to find out the distance. Now it is in the form of right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, now here according to Pythagoras theorem, UTP, right, angle PUT is equal to 90 degrees. Now angle PUT is equal to 90 degrees, then we have to find out diagonal square is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Diagonal square is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Diagonal square here is PT square, and sum of the squares of the side is equal to PU square plus PT square. Okay, PU square plus UT square. Now here PT square is equal to PU square is equal to how much? 10 square. UT square is equal to how much? 10 square. Then PT square is equal to 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Then PT square is equal to root of 200. Now exactly the root of 200 is equal to, approximately the value is PT is equal to 20 into 20, 10 into 10, 100, 20 into 20. Approximately we will get the value here 14.14. Okay, 14.14 meters. The distance traveled from the starting point to ending point is 14. Okay, 14.14 meters. This is, and the direction he traveled is southwest. Okay, this is the answer. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.